Yes, my people, good day. Welcome to my office. We are tightening the belt on this Toyota Highlander, the alternator belt. First, I break the pivot bolt on the alternator loose. Very tight in here. When I say tight, no space to work. You can see how difficult it is. Now I am attempting to loosen the pinch bolt on the adjuster itself, and you see the difficulty that I'm experiencing. I can't get room to work. So I break out another wrench. This wrench now is made especially for scenarios like these, working on these transverse mount engines. It is an extra long ratcheting wrench. I got it from Northern. It's not the cheapest, but they are worth the money and it will save you a lot of headaches. So I reach down in there with on that number 12. I break it loose and then I'm able to loosen it up. So I'm not taking it out all the way. I'm just loosening it. Next, I'm using my 1/4 inch ratchet with an extra long extension and my swivel socket to get on the head of the adjusting nut. The more I turn the nut, the more it moves the alternator back, and the more it moves the alternator back, the tighter the belt becomes. I reach down there periodically and I twist the belt a 1/4 turn to like 12 o'clock, and then now I'm gonna start it up. All right, sounds good to me, no squeals. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.